2 FE engine. Give you a description of this combination. Well, first we'll start off. This was a build that we normally put Edelbrock heads on and Edelbrock manifold. So all of you that kind of follow the industry, Edelbrock is terrible right now as far as delivering product. I think we've waited 7 months or something for the cylinder heads and manifold and stuff, and this customer, he just wanted to go. So we started beating the pavement, and we were able to get some Shelby cylinder heads, really nice manifold by Baer. We got some Edelbrock carburetors on top of it. So obviously we're really good, we feel, at searching out parts and components to make the job come to life for you and stuff. So if you have any issues out there as far as other vendors that can't get product, definitely give us a call and we'll go to work for you. So anyways, as you say, it's got Shelby heads, got a custom ground hydraulic roller, got a beautiful avian pan on it, got the Billet Specialties front end. We'll take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 536 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 465, peak horsepower 571. So get her off there, get in the crate, head your way. Have a great day.